Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple form in HTML. So first we are going to open VS Code and then we'll click on new file and then we'll write form.html and then I will also make a form.css. So now we're going to write doc and then we'll set the title to form in HTML. So we're going to write a h1, which is going to be form in HTML and CSS. So now I'm going to write form, but we'll just remove this rubbish action. And then we will write label for fn, which is going to be first name. We're going to write input type and we're going to leave it as text. So we're going to copy this and then paste it, and then we will add 2 BRs. So we are going to write label for SN, which is going to be second name, and then we'll paste it and then we'll add 2 BRs and write last name, and we will set this to LN. So now we're going to add another 2 BRs. We're going to add a label for E, which is going to say email, and the other one, this is going to be input type email. So now we're going to add another 2 BRs and I will write input type P, which is going to be password, which is going to be input type password. So you may not have known this before, but we are going to add a date of birth. So let's write Ctrl V and then we'll write DOB, which is going to be date of birth it's going to be input type date. So we're going to press Ctrl S and copy the path, and then we will paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Now we'll see all of these, but there's also another type of date, which is date time, but it has to be date time local. Now if we reload it, we'll see these, and if we press this, if we press this, we can set this into a certain number. And there's also a certain time. But for now, we're just going to be using date. Now we're going to add another 2 BRs. So we are going to write label for gender, and then we're going to write input checkbox. We don't need the name and the ID, and then we're going to write male. Which is going to be M, and then we'll just copy this, and then we'll add a BR, and then we'll paste it. We're going to write F, which is for female. Now we'll save it and then reload our browser. Now we'll see these. So now we're going to scroll up and then write link. We're going to set it link CSS. I will write form.css. And now we'll save it, and then we'll go to our CSS, and then we will write body, and then we will write background color, orange, and font size 30 px. So we are going to write form, and then we will write background color light green. So I'm going to write input, and I'm going to say border radius 10 px, and then I'm going to write border bottom, which is going to be 10 px solid black. Now I'll press Ctrl S and then reload it. So I I am also going to add a BR here. Now when I reload it, we'll see that these are bigger and they have a border under them. So now we are going to go to our HTML and add 2 more BRs. So we are going to write button type submit. Then we're going to write submit. Now we'll save it and go to our CSS and write button. We're going to write padding like 20 px. And we're also going to go to our form and then we're going to write padding negative 20 px, and then I'll press Ctrl S and reload. Now we'll see some space under, but what if we want space here too at the sides? So we're going to go to our CSS. Then we'll write padding. Then we'll write padding right. Wait, no, I mean padding left. Whatever. So we're going to write 20 px. Now we'll save it and then reload our browser. Now we'll see that D6 went there, but this background doesn't change a little. So we're going to write width like let's try max content. So now it becomes like this, but we want the width to be more than that, so we're going to write width like 100 px. Now we'll save it and then reload it. So let's make it just a little more bigger by making it like 9,000 px. Now we'll reload it. Then we'll see that it becomes too big again. So we're going to go to our CSS and change it to 5,000 px. Then we'll reload it, but still doesn't become smaller. That is because it is too big. So we'll set it to only 1,000 px. Now it is good, so we're going to that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.